Hello everybody. Today I'm going to give you a little bit of information about changing out a rear main seal on any Ford 2.3 Lima motor. This one happens to be off a 1989 Ford Ranger. Alright, so the first thing you want to do before you start any repair work on your vehicle is disconnect the battery. Safety first. So with the terminals removed, I'm ready to start. First thing I'm going to do is drain the oil. While that's draining, we're going to have to take off the transmission, the starter, the drive shaft, the crossmember, the clutch, the flywheel, and that should be it. Alright, so the first thing I want to do to remove this transmission is to go ahead and remove everything that's connected to it. By that I mean all the wires, all the lines. That way we're good to go. They have this quick disconnect fitting that they make a tool, but of course when I broke down I don't have it with me, so got 2 screwdrivers. That should work. Alright, so the screwdrivers didn't work very well on the hydraulic line. I ended up just taking a pair of pliers and using them just like the tool would and pushing them down. I don't know if you can see it very well. Just pop that plastic piece down in there, and now the hose is free. Alright, so everything's disconnected from the transmission. There's a speedometer cable hanging from the transfer case, and everything else is disconnected. The next step is to remove the drive shaft with a 12mm 12-point wrench. For the 2-wheel drive models, this just slips out, but for the 4-wheel drive, you got to undo those 4 bolts and the 4 in the back. Let's get to it. Alright, so with the drive shaft out, the next order of business is taking out the starter. Cool. Alright, the next step is to locate all the 13mm bolts that hold the transmission onto the engine. What I like to do is loosen them, but not take them out. Just loosen them so they're not very tight, but not tight enough to hold the transmission on. Then remove the transmission cross member. Alright, so once you unbolt the transmission, you're going to want to support it with some straps. That way you don't have to wrestle it down and it crush you. Then you remove the transmission crossmember, which is right here. Don't forget to remove the shifter. Okay, with the transmission crossmember removed, next you want to remove the last 2 remaining bolts on the bottom of the transmission, holding the transmission to the actual engine, and have it supported with a jack. Once it's supported with a jack, you have these straps also in case it does fall. With those bolts removed, you want to wrestle it out and have the jack supporting it so it doesn't fall on you. Wish me luck. Alright, after about 2 hours of wrestling and many curse words, the transmission's out. It's next to hit the clutch and the flywheel to get to the rear main. Alright, I finally got the flywheel and the clutch off. Alright, so using the 2 screws and a crowbar, I was able to pop the rear main off. And bam. There it is. Not too bad. This first screw kind of missed, but this screw was the one that got it. I drilled right into the center. Worked good. Yep. Alright, so I used the old rear main seal to press the new one in. Got in there nice and tight, and hopefully this one holds oil. Now time to reassemble everything and test it out. Alright, thanks for watching.